everybody, welcome back to my channel. The challenge I am participating in today is the monthly Look for Less challenge, and it is hosted by Yami from the Latina next door, and her co-host is the Blondie next door. So it's a challenge between neighbors, I think. Okay, I will leave as usual the links to their channels in the description box, as well as the link to the playlist with all the videos that are going to be entered in this challenge. And the topic of the challenge is to pick up some item that we like, but we think that we make it ourselves for a lower price. So I love windmills, and I found this bookends at Etsy for $29.50, and I thought, I can do something similar. Of course, it's not going to be exactly the same, but I can do them myself. So I don't know if you have seen my video or remember my video when I make my first windmill, which is this one, and it's made out of paper. The blades are paper, cardstock. You can watch the tutorial. It cost me $1 to make this windmill, and I think the link is going to be somewhere here. So you can see how I made this. It's so easy, so easy. You just print everything and assemble it. I use a wreath from Dollar Tree and some other items I had at home. So I thought I can make the windmills printing the blades with a computer. So that's what I did. This is how it looks. This was a page I printed, and as you can see, my printer started running out of ink as it was printing this page. So I kept it, because whenever I need to show people how I print the blades, this is how I do it. They are all in one page. And but of course, for this windmill I needed smaller blades, so I printed smaller blades. And here it is, one of the sides of the windmill. This is going to be the right side. This is going to be the left side of the windmill. So I printed blades, and then I used my, as I always say, beloved liquid shoe polish in brown. This is from Family Dollar. You can get it at Dollar Tree also. And I distressed the borders to give it a more rusted look. For the center, I always keep these circles that come with the spools of ribbon. So I use one of them, in fact two of them, one for the front, another one for the back. I painted them with this acrylic color, and let me tell you, most of the items I used are from the dumpster. I hope you know already that my daughter and I are dumpster divers. The link to our channel, Dumpster Chicks, is going to be in the description box also. So I would love if you pay a visit and have a lot of fun seeing us hauling our treasures. Like a year ago, we found a lot of these acrylics in different colors. So this is the one I used to paint this part. And then I also distressed it with the liquid polish. For this circle, I used this wire that I also found in the dumpster. I wrapped it around floral base that had exactly the circumference I wanted. Then I cut it in half, and again I distressed it with the liquid shoe polish. Let me see if I can show you how we see this. As you can see, just pressing and you get the rusted look, like here. So well, once I had that done, I glued everything together, and now I'm going to adhere this part to the back. I'm going to use tacky glue, and again I have this huge bottle of tacky glue that we got in the dumpster at Michael's. It is unbelievable. And there are more things. Almost everything here is from the dumpster. So we add some tacky glue. And finish this side. Okay. I have nothing to clean my finger, but no problem. Okay. So now for the base. A few videos ago, a few weeks ago, I showed you that we found in the dumpster these signs at Michael's that are, as you can see, are broken, and I used part of the wood for another DIY. So I used also part of this wood to make the sides of the bookends. So I cut the pieces to the size I needed. I took the measure, sorry, of the height, so I made it a little bit taller. I spray painted everything with one of my favorite paints, flat soft iron from Rust-Oleum, and then I glued them with E6000, but I had the black one, so I used the black one for this part, and then I gave it another coat of spray paint, and finally, when everything was dried, I added some clear E6000 here to make sure it's really fixed. So now I made marks where I'm going to place these sticks, or I don't know, skews, I don't know how you call it. So I can add the windmill, the half windmill, in the center, in the middle, which is going to make it more easy to adhere this border. So let me see, because this is the right side. So the front is this one. So this has to go this way. Okay. So I'm going to add tacky glue again. And now I'm going to add these pieces. I spray painted them with the same color. And the other one on this side. This glue dries clear, so I don't worry much about the residue. And now I'm going to add a little bit more of tacky glue to add to adhere the half. fact that I suffer from essential tremors makes this more difficult for me. It will be easier for you because my hands are shaking all the time, but you can see where I'm going to with this DIY. Okay, now I need to wait a little bit for this to dry, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I have both sides finished, as you can see now. This is the side I made before starting this video, because it's the same process on the other one, so I didn't need to make it on camera. And that's how they look now, both of them. I think, of course, they are not the same quality and not the same look exactly, but I like them, and I spend almost nothing because almost everything is from the dumpster except the paper for the blades. So I'm really happy. I saved, let's say, $27, and I have my windmill bookends. So I hope you like them. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And as I usually say, if you do all this, all your dreams will come true. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to the hostesses for hosting this wonderful challenge. And please visit their channels. You will find amazing and very unique creations. Also, please watch the videos in the playlist, and if you can, pay a visit to our dumpster diving channel. Thank you again to all of you for watching my video, for your support. Hope to see you in my next one, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye bye.